Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, life has been busy, but I'm finally back and ready to craft again. So when I went to use my Cricut again, I noticed something off. My rollers weren't aligned and my mat wasn't feeding straight. If you've had the same problem, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix to get them working perfectly again. So in order to readjust our rubber rollers, we're going to need to use the mat feed button and press it like a lot. I'm going to be grabbing my weeding tool only because I have it handy and the end of it is a rounded surface, so I know I won't be damaging the machine. And basically what you want to do is nudge the rubber rollers over and over as you're pressing the mat feed button over and over again. Pressing the button gives you wiggle room to move the rubber rollers, otherwise they're pretty pressed against the machine and you can damage them by trying to force them to move. And I want to avoid them shifting again, so I'm going to cut a piece of electrical tape and wrap it around the side of the roller. Now note that there is a wrong and right way to do this. If you add from the top with the sticky part facing down and then continuously press the mat feed button, it will eventually wind itself. I added the tape from the bottom first and my sticky side of the tape ended up facing out on the metal roller, which is not great since everything will just end up sticking to it. Now, this problem seems to be pretty prevalent in the Cricut Maker models, and I've seen a lot of people online complain about how Cricut won't do anything about it and basically tells you to buy a new machine. Now, I've also seen people purchase new rollers online and swap them out, but at a quick glance, the repair process seems pretty extensive, so I haven't tried that yet. What do you guys think? Should I repair my rubber rollers? Would you like to see me do that? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.